And here we are outside. It is the 5th of January 2021. This is the DJI Pocket 2 in 4K mode, 50 frames per second. And we're just walking down to our local shopping area to hopefully bag a bag of chips. It's cold, it's freezing, and I need some stodgy goodness like a Clark's pie and chips, which is most atypical for someone living in this area of the country. So looking around in Downend, this is our local area. You probably can't see a great deal because it is dark AF. So this is basically a low light test for the Pocket 2. I don't think you can see hardly anything at all. There is actually a nail bar there, and they've still got some of their Christmas lights outside, which you can probably not see, and I'd imagine the focus is going absolutely ballistic. I'll take a quick look backwards. So there is the shopping centre area. We've got McColl's there, going up out towards the double mini roundabout, or sorry, single roundabout, going up to the fish ponds area. And if we look around the other side, that takes us up to the Staple Hill area. So let's pan round back to the shops, centre the camera a little bit. So we've got over on the left hand side, we've got the old Tamarind, which actually used to be a Tandy years ago, which used to be my favourite shop in the world. And if I spin round a second, you can just see the historic Horseshoe Pub, which has been the centre of Downend for many years. Currently closed, as you'd expect. Still got the Christmas tree up. And just over here is the local Sainsbury's, lit up like a damn Christmas tree. And years ago that was actually a shop called Motorman, which sold car accessories and was previously called West One. Had the biggest parts counter in the entire country. Nice big place. Lots of special offers going on at the moment if you want some cheap Fosters. Ugh. So, property shop in Tyre. Again, guys, let me know what you think of the video quality and the footage. We'll have a look. There's the bus stop. So yeah, nighttime footage actually, from what I can see on the actual front of this, actually don't look too bad at all. And there's a Taub across the road. Down this side we've got hunters, estate agents, lots of estate agents in Downend. Always something to sell property wise. Andrew's there. Next to it we've got the slightly almost world famous Beehive Cafe. Currently closed. Next door to that is one of my favourites, Motor Parts. Ian hasn't got his lights on the front of the shop yet, so you can't really see what's going on there, but worth a visit. B&S, Yorkshire Building Society. Then we've got HSBC UK. So we're going to get some money out. There's a cash point. Next to that is the Mortgage Advice Bureau, which used to be a Costa. Shame it's not still a Costa. We get ourselves a coffee right now. And then carrying on down, we've got the Lloyds Bank, which when we were younger, both Kath and myself, you used to be able to use your bank card to get in there and shelter from the weather, which was good fun. Which takes us up to the main crossroads in Downend High Street. And we're going to cross the road now over towards the estate agents and then into Good Frydays. So press the button and we wait. And wait. There's the Y2 coming up. Hopefully the footage is pretty good. Hopefully nice and clear, although dark. Still got a red man, so can't cross quite yet. and we wait. Come on, let me cross. Still the red man and the green man. So there's another estate agent the other side of the road, just because there isn't enough in Downend. Coco's, the barber shop. Dry cleaners. And here we are, good Friday. So we're going to go in there and we'll be right back. So, doesn't go that way and then pan around. So on the other side now we've got the Italb, the Italian restaurant. Personal favourite of mine. Actually, lovely little place. Shame this lockdown central. Anyway, there you go. So, Fabrics Plus. If you can even see it. Only 6 people at a time. You'd be lucky. Downend gifts and cards for all your gifting card needs. Remember, wear your mask. And as per usual, because it's an estate agent, Ocean is lit up like a frickin' Christmas tree. And there is the alleyway down to the car park to the back of the co-op, which used to be probably one of the scariest places you could possibly walk at night on your own in Downend. All kinds of people used to jump out on you and crazy stuff in there. It's mostly my friends, but there's the NHS Wellness Centre, clinic, chemist, whatever you want to call it. And next to that we've got the Tamarind. It used to be a Tandy years and years ago. Good stuff. Got the St. Peter's Hospice shop. And next to that we've got Hazel Holly, the florists. I bet they're busy at the moment. Christmas and all that. Melanie's Kitchen. Can't even see it. And next up we've got McCall's and the post office, which if you're a long time viewer you'd have seen us here when I had to return stuff. And it's quite handy because it actually has a cash point, as Kath is demonstrating. So next to that is the Click Sergeant for childhood cancers and all that, and then there's custom flooring. So I'll have a quick pan round, see how it copes with near vision focus and then far vision. And there you go. That is the Downend Shopping Centre, which I've probably done no justice whatsoever because, well, yeah, it's not exactly the most illuminated place on the planet right now. It is dark, it is winter. I should mention actually, further up the top, we've got the Willow Centre rather. So actually, if we go past custom, we'll quickly walk up that way, just to show you all what is going on there. It's custom flooring and furnishing. So for those of you who've got more money and sense, it's a good place to check out. And there is the alleyway down towards the co-op. It's really nicely lit up now. There we have the Mocha, which is the new kind of bar, lounge, etc., which used to be the cycle shop, which actually we do miss because the cycle shop was really quite badly needed in this area. And if we pan up, we can just about see this is part of the W.G. Grace memorial kind of thing. So yeah, we've got a Mocha bar there, Ladbrokes if you want to do a bit of gambling. And then a florist, Norville's, and then at the end we've got my mate Craig Anthony's. There's the 48 bus. The 48 bus is a mainstay of this area, the 47, 48 and 49, all of which go into the city centre, in and around through Downend in that. And we're back to Michael Nicholas. So I think that's going to pretty much wrap this one up. You've seen probably more than enough that you wanted to of Downend, but more importantly, what is the low light situation like? on this little portable camera. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. But in the meantime, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews Now too, and hopefully we will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.